Happy New Year everyone! Today I will show you how to make an easy paper gilder, the dome. This one is very easy to create, so let's start now. To make the dome, you need a printing paper. You can use letter size or you can use A4 paper. Alright, so first step, fold the paper in half this way. And next, I will start from this edge and fold to this edge. Right, and then I repeat the same step for the other side. Start from this edge, fold to this edge. Okay, then you see the intersection of this crease, and the center crease. I will use the intersection as a reference to fold this part out. Okay, make sure that all edges line up and all creases line up. Okay. When this crease line up with this crease, you can fold it down now. Okay, just fold it down like this. Now start from this edge and fold to the center crease. Okay, and then repeat the same step for the other side. Back there. It's easy. There we go. Okay. So now I open this part, Alright, now start from this edge, fold it to this crease. Right, and repeat the same step for this side. Start from this edge, fold to this crease. Perfect. Let's just fold this part out and make sure that. Okay, let me fix it a little bit. Just fold it out. That's perfect. And fold this part out. Okay. Now we'll start from the tip here. We'll force to this point. Estimate about ½ inch from the intersection of this edge and this edge to fold to here. I'll show you how for this. It's easy. Okay. Then fold the paper in half like this. Here we go. And then I'll start from this corner, go straight down to this corner to create a wing. And I repeat the same step for the other side. I'll use this edge as a reference. Okay, make sure that this edge line with this edge as well. Alright, so now we have the wings of the dome. Next step, I will start from this corner. I fold straight out to this edge. I use this edge as a reference. And repeat the same step for the other side. There we go. Okay, and next I will estimate about halfway from this point to this corner. Okay, just fold straight down to this crease. Okay, and I repeat the same step for the other side. Estimate. This is what we have so far. So the dome is almost finished. I will create the elevator so to make sure that the dome will not go down to the ground. Okay, will not crash. So just curl this up a little bit. Okay. So this is a really important step you need to do. Curl this part up, and then now when you throw it, hold it above your head. Alright, and then just throw it lightly. And here we go, the dog. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.